This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your own water kefir. Start by gathering kefir grains, sugar, clean water, a glass jar, and a breathable cover. Keep equipment clean and use non-chlorinated water for best results. Maintain a warm, stable temperature around room level to encourage fermentation. I will guide you through feeding, fermenting, bottling, and troubleshooting so you feel confident making fizzy probiotic drinks at home. In this video, I will show how to make your own water kefir. Mix sugar into warm water until fully dissolved, then add kefir grains and a slice of lemon if desired. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and let it sit in a warm spot away from direct sunlight. Taste after 24 hours and continue up to 48 hours until you reach your preferred fizziness and tanginess. In this video, I will show how to make your own water kefir. Quick recommendation: if you love simple, practical advice, I suggest grabbing a book called The Simple Path to Wealth to rethink your money habits while your kefir ferments. It pairs surprisingly well with slow projects and tiny routines. Subscribe and like if this is helpful. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make your own water kefir. After straining, add fruit, juice, or herbs to bottles for a flavorful second fermentation that builds carbonation. Leave bottles at room temperature for 24 to 72 hours, then refrigerate to halt activity. Keep a routine of feeding and rinsing kefir grains when needed, and rotate grains onto fresh sugar water to maintain a strong, vigorous culture for ongoing batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.